Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome to my channel. I'm Xue. Today I'm going to clear up all your doubts about the 把 sentence. First of all, we're going to listen to a well-known Chinese song to demonstrate how 把 is used and the basic structure of a 把 sentence. After that, we're going to discuss why and in which situation a 把 sentence is used. And then we'll go through some examples and quizzes together to check if you fully understand when to use 把 and when not to. Finally, I'm going to give you some typical 把 sentence for you to repeat after me to help improve your fluency. So, are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, let's listen to a well-known Chinese song, 歌声与微笑. This is a song that has accompanied generations of Chinese people as we grow up. Almost everyone in China knows it. Let's listen to a little bit of it.
请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下。请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下。请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下。请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下。
As you can see, the lyrics are repeated in this song is 请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下。Please take my song back to your home and please leave behind your smile. Please leave your smile behind. So the basic structure, as you can see here, is subject. In this case, it is omitted since we both know it's you, plus 把, plus object, plus verb, and plus other complement. This is a unique sentence structure called 把字句 in Chinese. The 把字句 allows the speaker to emphasize in handling and manipulation of an object. It's a powerful way to describe how an action affects an object, emphasizing the result or direction of this action. What do I mean by this? Let's look at this song. So the object here is 我的歌, my song, and how it is handled. You take it back home, bring it back home. And how about another subject? 你的微笑, your smile. How it is handled? You leave it behind. So by using the 把 sentence, the speaker is telling you exactly what to do with these objects. You will see 把 sentence is often used in this kind of situation when you want to tell somebody to do something. For example, turn on the lights, close the window. We always use 把 sentence. 把 sentence is everywhere. 把眼睛闭上，把眼睛睁开，把嘴巴张开。把嘴巴张大. Imagine you have a roommate who loves sandwich, and one day he comes back to the house and opens the refrigerator. He cannot find his sandwich, so he is anxious and mad, shouting, 我的三明治在哪儿? Where is my sandwich? And if it's you who ate his sandwich, what would you say? 我没看见. I didn't see it. Or 我吃了你的三明治. Or 我把你的三明治吃了. If you say 我吃了你的三明治, grammatically is correct. It makes sense. However, this sentence only focuses on the action 吃了. It's a general statement that you ate his sandwich. 我吃了你的三明治. There is no focus on the object. The object is included but not emphasized. There is no emotional implication. It's just a very general statement that this action happened. However, if you say 我把你的三明治吃了, by placing the object before the verb, you are switching the focus of the conversation from the action to the object. So now you are having a conversation about his 三明治. And what happened to his 三明治? You are answering his question now. The focus of the conversation you focus on the object and what happened to the object. You use a 把 sentence. And there is another huge difference. If you're using a 把 sentence, in this case, you are adding some implication here. It subtly conveys more responsibility and intentionality on your part regarding this subject sandwich and what happened to this sandwich. In another word, you're subtly admitting that it's you who need to take responsibility to his sandwich. So let me repeat it. So if you say 我吃了你的三明治, I eat your sandwich. That is a very general statement to say what happened. I eat your sandwich. This action just happened. There is no emphasis on the object and there is no implication. However, if you say 我把你的三明治吃了, the focus is on the sandwich. You are talking about the sandwich. The focus of the conversation is on the sandwich and what happened to the sandwich. You are subtly admitting that you are the one who take responsibility to whatever happened to his sandwich. So is that clear enough? So if you say, I understand this example, but I'm not sure if I can tell whether I should use the 把 sentence or not in other situations. Don't worry, I'll give you some examples and situations, and we're going to go through them together to say if we need to use the 把 sentence or not, and why. So let's see these examples. So let's look at the first example. This sentence, I slept. Do you need to use a 把 sentence? The answer is no. We don't say 我把觉睡了. We say 我睡觉了 or 我睡了觉. And why? Because this verb 睡觉, it doesn't take an object. This sentence doesn't involve changing or affecting an object. Second example, I didn't wash the clothes clean. Do we need to use a 把 sentence? The answer is yes. We need to say 我没把衣服洗干净. 我没把衣服洗干净. Here the action is 把, and this action caused a clear result. The clothes is clean now. Yes, we need to use a 把. And pay attention, we put this 没 before the 把. 没把衣服洗干净 is something happened in the past. 没把衣服洗干净. Third example, he laughed. Do we need to use a 把 sentence? The answer is no. We don't say 他把笑了. We say 他笑了. You see, laugh, as we said before, laugh, this kind of verb, it doesn't have an object. It doesn't affect an object neither. Next one, I was hit by him. Do we need to use 把? No. If you say 我把他打了, then the meaning changed. 我把他打了 means I hit him. It's not I was hit by him. You can say 他把我打了. 他把我打了 means 他打了我. It's him who hit me. So I was hit by him. So if you say be hit by somebody, this one, in this case, we use a passive pattern, which is 被. 我被他打了. Or you can say 他把我打了. Next one, I read books. The answer is no. If you say 我把书看, yes, there is a verb 看. However, there is no result of this action. This action is going on. It's incomplete. The focus here is that just this action happened. It's not about this object. Neither about this action affect this object. What happened to this object? I finished reading the books. Do we need to use a 把 sentence? Yes, we do. 我把书看完了. Here, 看, this verb is followed by a complement, 完, which is finished. So to emphasize, the result is 完, you finished reading the book. This is exactly when we need to use a 把 sentence. Please bring the book over here. Please bring the book over here. Do we need to use a 把 sentence? Yes. 请把书拿过来。请把书拿过来。拿 is a verb here. 把书 so 拿书 and 过来 is a complement. So action 拿 the result of action 过来 and this action caused the result a change of state 过来 so we need a 把 sentence. You can see all the three examples above. All the action resulting in a clear outcome. Actions involves a transformation or a change of state. So we can see a 把 sentence is used. The object of the sentence is affected by an action, and this action causes a result. It could be a change of state or movement on the object. So if these conditions are not met, we typically don't use a 把 sentence. Lastly, let's finish today's lesson by practicing some typical 把 sentence together. Please read aloud after me. This will help you improve your fluency. 把眼睛闭上。把眼睛闭上，把眼睛睁开，把眼睛睁开，把嘴巴张开，把嘴巴张开，把嘴巴张大，把嘴巴张大，把灯打开，把灯打开，把灯关了，把灯关了，把车停下。把车停下，把你的驾照给我看一下，把你的驾照给我看一下。我把作业做完了，我把作业做完了。爸爸把饭做好了，爸爸把饭做好了。把冰箱放到厨房，把冰箱放到厨房。把花瓶放在桌子上，把花瓶放在桌子上。小心点儿，别把花瓶打破了。小心点儿，别把花瓶打破了。把这个沙发搬到2楼。把这个沙发搬到2楼。把房间打扫一下。把房间打扫一下。把窗户擦干净，把窗户擦干净。外星人把它带走了，外星人把它带走了。记得把玩具放进玩具盒里。记得把玩具放进玩具盒里。天冷了，记得把大衣穿上。天冷了，记得把大衣穿上。请帮我把眼镜摘掉。请帮我把眼镜摘掉。每天早上我都会把窗户打开。每天早上我都会把窗户打开。他帮我把门打开了。他帮我把门打开了。他把工作文件弄丢了。他把工作文件弄丢了。请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下。请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下。Hope that this video has helped you clear up all your doubts about the 把 sentence. Now, if you listen to the song we introduced in the beginning of today's lesson, I'm sure you understand more. And if you want to learn the whole song, appreciate more about this song, I'll create another video to help you to appreciate this song. You can also make your own 把 sentence and leave it in the comments so I can see if you fully understand it or not. So thank you for watching. I will see you next time. 再见。
请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下。请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下。 明天，明天这个伤，北边海角天涯，北边海角天涯。明天，明天这个笑，就是遍野春花，就是遍野春花。请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下，请把我的歌带回你的家，请把你的微笑留下。